Oh, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to show you how to monitor your Sofi accounts for suspicious activities, because we all got to be security conscious. So here's how to monitor your Sofi's account for suspicious activities. The first is to regularly review your account activities. So you want to always make sure that you regularly review your account activities, and you can do that by logging into your Sofi's account on the website or mobile app. And then you want to review your account transaction histories, including things like deposits and withdrawals, transfers and payments, investments and trade, and all that. And you want to verify that all your transactions are legitimate and authorized. So the second method is to set up account alerts. You want to set up account alerts, and you can do that by logging into Sofi's account on website or mobile app, and then go to settings or account settings section, and then you want to enable account alerts for large transactions, unusual activities, or login attempts from new devices or locations. And then you want to choose your preferred alert methods. That could be email, push notifications, or SMS. Of course, you could also monitor account login activities. So you can do that by logging into your Sofi's account on the website or mobile app, and then you go to security or account security section, and then you want to review your account login history, including dates and time of login, device and browser used, as well as the location of login. So that would give you an idea of if anyone else is having access to your account, and whatever it is that's going on, you can see that clearly. So you want to just verify that all login activity is legitimate and are not unauthorized. So of course, you can also watch for suspicious email or messages. So you want to be cautious of email or messages that ask for your login credentials or personal information, as well as those that contain suspicious links or attachments, and those that claim to be from Sofi's but have poor grammar or spelling, because Profi is a very professional app and a platform. So if you note any of these suspicious messages, you can report them, or you can just message Sofi's support team, and they're going to help you to deal with those. So of course, reporting suspicious activities, if you suspect any of those, you can report it immediately to Sofi's support team. They're going to help you out with that. You could also provide much details as possible. So you're going to have to include the date and time of suspicious activities, the description of suspicious activities, or any relevant transaction or account information that the support team can make use of to help you clarify the issue. Yeah, that's pretty much it for us being security conscious on Sofi. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.